Fall cleanup is easier with powerful tools designed to save time. The best yard vacuum for Acorns makes collecting leaves, nuts, and debris effortless, combining strong suction, durable construction, and versatile features for a cleaner, well-maintained yard. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. The WORX Trivac Yard Vacuum. The WORX Trivac Yard Vacuum is a versatile and practical choice for homeowners dealing with acorns, leaves, and mixed yard debris throughout the season. Its 3-in-1 design combines a blower, vacuum, and mulcher into one streamlined tool, allowing you to switch tasks without changing equipment. With airflow rated at 350 CFM and speeds up to 210 mph, it provides enough power to loosen and lift stubborn acorns from grass, patios, and walkways, while still being manageable for regular yard. Designed with usability in mind, the Trivac easily reaches under lawn furniture, shrubs, and tight corners where acorns tend to collect. The quick-release collection bag simplifies composting or dumping, and the one-handed operation reduces fatigue during longer cleanup sessions. Variable speed control adds flexibility, letting you gently clear lighter debris or ramp up power when tackling compacted acorns and wet leaves. Overall, the WORX Trivac is well-suited for medium-sized yards where acorns are a recurring issue, offering a balanced mix of power, maneuverability, and efficiency in a single, easy-to-manage tool. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 250 mph Yard Vacuum. The BLACK+DECKER 250 mph yard vacuum is a dependable option for handling heavy acorn buildup and seasonal yard debris with minimal hassle. Powered by a robust 12-amp motor, this corded unit delivers strong airflow capable of breaking through matted leaves and rolling acorns that tend to settle into uneven surfaces. Its high-impact metal fan plays a key role in preventing clogs, especially when vacuuming hard debris like acorns that can overwhelm weaker plastic components, or full power for clearing dense debris along driveways and fence lines. The disposable leaf bag system is another practical advantage, offering a clean, no-mess solution. Simply tie and discard when full. A built-in cord retainer ensures uninterrupted operation by keeping the extension cord securely connected during use. For homeowners who prioritize reliability and don't mind a corded setup, this BLACK+DECKER model delivers consistent performance for acorn cleanup, especially in yards with large trees and frequent debris accumulation. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN CME BL7000 Yard Vacuum. The CRAFTSMAN CME BL7000 Yard Vacuum is built for demanding yard cleanup, making it a strong candidate for tackling acorns mixed with leaves and heavier debris. Equipped with a powerful 12-amp motor, it delivers impressive performance with airflow up to 450 CFM and wind speeds reaching 260 mph. This level of power is especially useful for dislodging acorns embedded in grass or wedged between landscaping features, vacuum and mulcher modes without slowing down your workflow. The backpack-style collection bag adds comfort and efficiency, holding up to 55 liters of mulched debris while distributing weight evenly across your shoulders. This design is particularly helpful during extended cleanup sessions under oak trees where acorns accumulate rapidly. The wide mouth bag opening makes emptying quick and mess-free, reducing downtime between loads. Overall, the CME BL7000 combines high performance with thoughtful ergonomics, making it well-suited for larger yards or properties that experience heavy seasonal acorn drops and require a more robust cleanup solution. Number 4. SENIX 420 CFM Yard Vacuum. The SENIX 420 CFM Yard Vacuum offers a balanced blend of power, control, and comfort for homeowners managing routine acorn cleanup. Its 12-amp electric motor provides airflow up to 420 CFM with wind speeds reaching 179 mph, delivering enough force to clear acorns from lawns, sidewalks, and garden beds without being overly aggressive.
The 3-in-1 design allows seamless switching between blower, vacuum, and mulcher functions, making it easy to adapt to different yard conditions. One-handed operation enhances maneuverability, especially when navigating around trees, fences, and outdoor furniture, where acorns tend to collect. The electric design produces zero emissions during operation, making it an environmentally considerate choice for regular yard maintenance. Comfortable handling and steady performance make this SENIX model ideal for small to medium yards where efficiency and ease of use matter most. It's a practical option for homeowners who want reliable acorn cleanup without excessive weight or complexity.
Number 5. Shop 530 CFM Yard Vacuum. The Shop 530 CFM Yard Vacuum stands out as a high-performance solution for serious acorn cleanup, especially in larger yards or areas with heavy debris accumulation. Delivering powerful airflow up to 530 CFM and wind speeds of 180 mph, it easily handles dry and wet leaves, acorns, and stubborn debris in one pass. Its 3-in-1 system allows blowing, vacuuming, and mulching to occur simultaneously, saving time by shredding debris as it's collected. Despite its strong output, the unit remains manageable thanks to its lightweight build, integrated wheels, and shoulder strap that support hands-free backpack-style operation. The adjustable height further enhances comfort during extended use. A spacious 35-liter collection bag minimizes interruptions, while the instant mulching system significantly reduces debris volume for easy disposal or composting. Designed for efficiency and user comfort, this yard vacuum is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking powerful, all-in-one performance for consistent acorn and yard debris cleanup.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.